Okay, and since we're painting that bumper, and he's back because supper's on the cook, his favorite stew, daddy stew. All right, so the while we got this off with everything else, when you got the opportunity to clean or to make it, just fix it up, do it. See, I've already done half of this. As you can tell, you can see the difference. You can see the difference. Hello, see reflection. You see the difference in both sides. And all I did with this, with my favorite, I did half. Bug shield, grill, chrome strip, light buckets. See the difference? And it's just soap and water. It's just Dawn dishwashing liquid, and it's water with Dawn dishwashing liquid in it, and a quadruple aught buck steel wool. And you just wet it down and you start scrubbing. And that's all there is to it. All right, and just like I did the other side, we just getting everything wet. That Dawn, if that Dawn is good enough to get old oil and grease off of ducks in the ocean and fix the foul, it's good enough to take all the old road grime off of the front of your truck. This thing's been sitting behind that brush guard for years. And no, none against a brush guard. And a brush guard says here in Oklahoma, we deal with a lot of deer, and a brush guard, a decent one, a heavy duty one like that one, because that sucker's heavy. It can protect you can hit a deer and walk away, but it makes it where it's hard to reach all this stuff behind it. And this is quadruple aught, not triple, not double, just quadruple aught steel wool, and you can get it at Walmart. It's like $3 a bag, and I've had the same bag for over a year, and I've cleaned all kinds of stuff with it. And the Dawn just softens up all the dirt, just gets it where it's ready to come off, and you don't have to do a lot of work. You just got to get it in there. It doesn't take very much long, because all this is basically chrome covered plastic, or plastic chrome colored plastic, and it just takes all the bug debris off. But the biggie is the headlight buckets, because these things get abused for a long time, and it'll take that layer of just goo off of your buckets in just seconds. I mean, this is all just, I'm not got power tools out or scrubbers or drill or anything. I am just knocking the top layer of junk off of this thing. And I know you guys have all seen the videos of guys taking torches to this. Not necessary. This will clean that up too. I mean, you can tell that there was a huge difference between the plastic just from taking this top layer off. And that where the brush guard sit, it did do a little bit of rubbage, but I mean, that's coming up already. It had a little rust stain there. And there really just is nothing to it. It's just soap and water. Good old can-do attitude. Just a little bit of time. I mean, the other side took me 5 minutes, and this other side we're doing it real time. We're talking about it. I'm doing it in 5 minutes. And it'll make this. We'll show you once we get done. But even just this chrome on this bumper is going to shine like new. It'll take years of just garbage off of it. And as you can tell, I'm not spending a lot of time. I'm just getting it wet and letting that soap do its job for a minute, and then taking the steel wool to it. Hey, that's right. We got to get some lenses for that thing, don't we? Yep. Lenses for those. Which they do work now. Yay. Huh. And yeah, see, there's a lot of spots in a truck like this that gets ignored. And this will fix all of that. Now, you'd think, I'll just take it down to the car wash and spray it off. No, you don't even have to do that. You don't even have to spray it off. You just got to wipe it off, because that Dawn has lifted all the dirt. That Dawn has lifted all the dirt. So we just if you're still here and you're watching, like, share, and subscribe. So we just take a clean rag, and we just wipe it off. This, you can do the same thing. This is what the professionals do in interiors. They don't take Armor All and a whole bunch of chemicals. They take a brush like this. They take a brush like this and Dawn and water, and they soak it in and they rub it down and they wipe it off. That's how professionals clean interiors. Have friends in the business. Dealerships. That's how they get in all them little nook and crannies. Now there's some little tricks, you know, the clay bar and the Play-Doh in the nooks and crannies of the ashtray and stuff. Yeah, that's just, you know, professional things, you know, toothpaste on the headlights, that sort of thing, because of the pumice. And it's kind of the same principle. Instead of using the steel wool, you're using the pumice from the toothpaste to clean just the old grit off. What'd you find?
Fog lights aren't very bright. I didn't notice them very much last night.
But as you can see, looky here. Look at that nice darkness. Now, like I said, it's not brand new, but 10 times better than what it was. And here we go with the chrome, just wiping it off and wiping the plastic off. Looky there. Looky there. And there's a couple spots, like there's a couple spots on where the brush guard got into the plastic over the years, rubbed a little bit, and there's a little spot right here. But all in all, that is done. How long is the counter on the video for?
7 minutes, 20 minutes.
Okay.
With 2 minutes of talking.
Yep. So 5 minutes for one half. So 10 minutes for the whole thing. And it looks 10 times better than what it did. It looks great. It turned out really good. And that's all. If you want to do some extra rubbage on it, what'd you just do?
Backed into that.
You backed into the brush guard. Just drying.
Just trying to look at the whole bumper or the whole front.
Oh my goodness.
You know what? We'll do this. We'll do 0.5 view.
Yeah, 0.5 view. And every little bit more you wipe this, it seems like the better it gets. Because it's loosened by the soap. By the Dawn dishwashing liquid. Dawn takes grease out of your way. Look at that.
Hello.
Yeah. Look, hello. Reflection. 10 minutes. Make it look like brand new again. So if you're still here and you're watching, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that button. Tell your friends. Check out UncleBuckStuff.com to check out if you like a t-shirt or hat, help out the channel. Y'all have a great day. Because great day today, and 10 minutes later, you can have a brand new looking front end on your truck. Y'all be good.